neyanziza ino sebo. Baba iseife kyabazinga, Maama ineife, banange tubasangalire. Tubasangalire ino, tubayozayoza, olwekyo kye mutuseeko olwaleero. Tikibeire kyangu, it has been a long journey, but all we bless God for having enabled you. Banaife abageni baife mwena mwena tubasangalire. Nze ndabwa kusiima Katonda nti kibeere kisa kye okututuusa ku kino kye tutuuseeko. Ife ng'abantu tetusobola ku lwaife, but by the grace of God atusobozesa mu byonna byonna. Banange nze nanenda okusiima komiti emekinze omukolo guno okubanga mulungi guti. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The Queen, we love you so much. Ayo buti ndoza kyabazinga nasinga okwenda. Though we, your parents, we love you, but now you have got a new love. We just to pray for you that may God bless you in this new journey you have taken. God will always be with you, and you'll have a successful marriage, a blessed marriage. You'll be loved more than us. That's what we believe. Baba kyabazinga, ffe tukugemesa omuwala oyo. Nga bw'owulire Vice President bw'abaire aliko bakulina lya Mutesi Busoga, bamutesi buli gwe batuuma Mutesi aba mwende mu luya. Aba n'omwana alina value, n'omwana ayendebwa buli muntu mu family. So Mutesi has been a flower in our family, and you will continue to be. So bwe tumukuwaire twenda oyongera okumwenda, otamumena mutima, kubanga bw'onaamumena onaaba ommenye ife. Jovia, Jovia mwana mulungi nga bwe mumubona, ti beauty gye mubonamu, but alina bingi making okuba beautiful, not her body look, intelligence, but she's everything. So kingdom ya Busoga, ffe tubawaire omwana waife, mumwongere ku bwongere, tutwenda kuwulira kibi kyona kyona, kubanga ife twidi nti muwala mulungi tumutendeike, asobola, aida kubalera, era aida atwala Obusoga mu maiso. Maama ndowooza obweyine bwe tubeire twidde isano eribeire ku njira, abaana balaze nti basanufu era babeire enunta. Ofumbanga emmere emala abaana beeyiguta baalya. Eryo isano lye bakulaze kiraze nti bakwaniriza era bakwenda. Banaife olwaleero tulwakubuulirira tutwidda kumala, but we wish you a happy marriage.